Alright. Here we come to the service elevator at the American First National Bank building. It's a Schindler 400A. 400A MRL, which I really love. Here it comes. Oh wow, rear door. Why is there a tiled floor in here? That's strange. Let's first get a cab view. This is a service-sized elevator here. Here's your fixtures right here. Gonna go to, oops. Oh, open the main doors. Alright. 11? Please ignore my dad. Sorry, my dad had just called. We have to hurry. Sorry, guys. It'll have to be a quick ride now. Alright. Let's get off at 9. Actually, let's get a view of these fixtures here. These are your MT fixtures here. Quick cab view. Sorry for the rush video. My dad just called me. And it's dark in here. Better press on this side because here we're at 9. Oh. Alright, let's go on to G.
所以以后真的是不能再去照了，再照了拿乘客的电话也让你抢了。后来你电梯了。过去，然后。
Please don't talk to stuff because I'm filming right now. I don't want private stuff. I'm gonna watch the door close. This is how you get out. Just open the door here. And that goes outside.